great opportunity for everybody to be here, and we're real happy to see you making the film. And it's, like I say again, it's great to see all these old-time riders that are here. And it shows how much interest there is still in motorcycles and in Indians.
That's when I started for $15 a week. I thought I was a millionaire. Hey, them were the days, buddy.
And I used to work in experimental on them, building them, tearing them down, trying to break them. It was a very good job. Too bad they had to go out of business.
We belong to the
Motor
Motor
Maids of America?
Years ago.
Many years ago.
We haven't seen each other for 30, 40 years.
30 or 40 years.
Yes.
I'm delighted to be here. I feel very privileged to be invited here.
I'm glad to be anywhere these days.
I attempted a speed record at Daytona Beach, and it had to be 52 or 53, and it might have been 54. And the stock car drivers screwed us up because they spun 2 circles in our measured mile, and when you cross that, it automatically go into a wobble. So we both canceled. It was a Harley rider and me with my Indian, and we both had to cancel on account of both of us went into a wobble. And you go into a wobble at 160 miles an hour, I tell you, you just about have to clean your pants next time. It really makes you think about something.
Here comes Dick Clampett going to join us.
Come on, Dick.
Come on, Dick. This is live, Dick. Get in here.
Come on, Amy. The camera's rolling. Jeez, look at this. Fashionably late.
I'll get over here by this time.
Come on, Tommy. Yeah, come here, Tom.
Come on, throw in here.
You down there? Come on, Doug.
No, I'm just a spectator.
Hold on, we got 2 more.
Hey, Doc, come here. You can sit on my knee just like the old days.
As a kind of epilogue, we went to see a guy we had heard about outside of Chicago who still manufactures Indian motorcycle parts according to the original factory blueprint specifications. And somewhere along the way it occurred to me, Indians tell stories about people and not the other way around.
When I was a kid, there was only 2 people who could make an Indian motorcycle run, Art Hafer and God. Okay. This particular drawing from the Ace Motorcycle Company was drawn 9/24/19, which is September 24th, 1919. The part is for the outer clutch ring on the 4-cylinder Ace, which was used on the first Indian Force. You might be wondering what the motorcycle is that's behind me. It's a 1948 Big Base Daytona Scout. This particular motorcycle belonged to Floyd Emdy, who rode out of Guy Iroquois' Indian shop in San Diego, California. In 1948, Floyd won the 200-mile road race at Daytona on this particular motorcycle. It was really the debut for the Indian Big Base Scout, and Floyd led the race wire to wire. This is actually the last Indian to win on the beach in that. It's the last Indian to win Daytona in that. The very last Indian to ever win a national, Ernie Beckman rode at Williams Grove. It was tuned by Art Hafer. That was in 1953.
Captain Lonely, Captain Lonely, yeah. Captain Lonely, staring back from your view. One time, I was crazy for your love, but I'm crazy no more. One time I was crazy for your love, but I'm crazy no more. One time I was crazy, but I'm crazy no more.
If all the internals are checked with this Magnaflux or similar, can you strike that out? That didn't come out so well. Magnaflux process, then it would be all right, but most people don't bother doing that. Yeah, if that gets on television, they're going to get the... we'll beep it. Beep.
It's hard to describe to people that don't ride motorcycles what's so wonderful about motorcycles in general and Indians in particular. It's that special magic, you know, that sort of relationship you have with the motorcycle that I think is so, you know...